What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best treadmills that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Echelon Stride earns its reputation as the best mid-range treadmill with a unique blend of portability, simplicity, and safety. While not the most budget-friendly option, its app subscription model enhances affordability. The treadmill's design is sleek and user-friendly, appealing to beginners in the realm of exercise equipment. The impressive feature of the arm folding over, reducing its height to around 4 inches, and the ability to stand against a wall showcase its remarkable portability. Minimalistic design choices prioritize function, with simple buttons for incline and speed adjustments on the handlebars. The soft feel of the belt underfoot ensures comfort for runners, even during intense workouts. Despite a 1.75 horsepower motor, the Echelon Stride offers efficiency in quiet operation, with a top speed of 12 miles per hour and a 10% incline. What truly sets it apart is the Echelon Fit app, a subscription-based platform offering diverse workout videos with recognizable hit songs. Safety is paramount, with a metal safety bar and adherence to international safety standards. The AutoFold technology adds convenience, making workouts accessible. Additional features like heart rate sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, a USB charging port, and a 20-inch by 55-inch running deck contribute to the treadmill's overall appeal. The membership unlocks various classes, from endurance to yoga, adding versatility to your workouts. With a 100% money-back guarantee for the first 30 days, the Echelon Stride stands as a reliable and customer-focused choice in the mid-range treadmill market. The Sole F80 secures its position as the runner-up best treadmill on the market, promising a pathway to a fit and healthy body. Renowned for its robust construction and enduring performance, this treadmill is a testament to longevity. Its design prioritizes simplicity, ensuring easy operation without unnecessary tech complexities, making it accessible even to those less tech-savvy. The foldable feature, coupled with the Easy Assist option, enhances convenience by allowing users to effortlessly fold and store the treadmill after workouts. The commercial-grade 3.5 chp motor provides powerful and consistent performance, withstanding even intense running exercises and a challenging 15% max incline. Physical buttons facilitate easy adjustment of incline levels and speed. Beyond performance, the Sole F80 integrates user-friendly features like cooling fans, a 9-inch LCD screen displaying essential metrics, and an automatic incline of up to 15%. Entertainment is seamlessly incorporated with an iPad and MP3 compatible sound system and Bluetooth connectivity for use with the Sole Fitness mobile app, compatible with Fitbit and MyFitnessPal. With chest strap heart rate monitoring and a cushion flex shock absorption system, joint impact is reduced by 40%. Offering versatile workout programs and the ability to store data for 2 users, the Sole F80 stands as a top-tier, space-saving treadmill, earning a strong recommendation for its quality and comprehensive features. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 is a cutting-edge fitness solution offering a diverse range of features for an immersive workout experience. Its incline training, ranging from -5% to 20%, coupled with extended handlebar grips, facilitates high-incline workouts for a comprehensive fitness routine. The treadmill provides built-in motivation through a slim and comfortable Bluetooth-enabled heart rate armband, ensuring continuous monitoring to help users stay within their target heart rate zone. Meanwhile, Bluetooth speakers envelop users in an auditory experience, enhancing the overall workout ambience. A standout offering is the 2-month free trial of the Journey All Access membership, which provides access to adaptive workouts, inspiring trainers, streaming entertainment, and more. Users can seamlessly watch their favorite shows from platforms like Netflix and Prime Video while working out, making exercise enjoyable and entertaining. The treadmill opens up a world of possibilities with the ability to explore 200+ virtual courses at a personalized pace or alongside adaptive workouts. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 allows users to evolve with all-in-one tracking, offering a convenient overview of milestones, achievements, and personal bests in a single accessible location. With an operational horsepower of approximately 1.9 HP, capable of 3 HP but restricted by home outlets, this treadmill delivers a powerful and dynamic home workout experience. The Si Health and Fitness Exercise Treadmill emerges as the best budget-friendly option for those who prioritize both savings and solid quality. Highly rated and renowned for delivering outstanding value at an affordable price, this treadmill has gained popularity for its exceptional features. The compact frame and foldable design set it apart, allowing for easy storage and making it notably portable. With a powerful 2.2 horsepower motor, the treadmill ensures a smooth and comfortable workout experience, offering adjustable speeds of up to 9 miles per hour. The 16-inch wide and 49-inch long running surface accommodates users of varying sizes, complemented by 3 tilt settings for customizable workouts. The LCD screen provides essential metrics, including distance, speed, calories burned, and elapsed time, and even calculates BMI. Noteworthy features include 9 built-in training programs, hand grip controls, a soft drop system for smooth handling, and a media holder for added entertainment during workouts. The safety lock feature ensures the treadmill's security when not in use. The 2.2 peak HP drive system, combined with a 1-year frame warranty and a 90-day parts warranty, reflects its durability and reliability, making it a comprehensive and impressive package for a fulfilling cardio workout. The NordicTrack T 6.5C is widely acclaimed as the best value treadmill, offering a comprehensive blend of features and affordability. Its assembly, though time-consuming at 1 to 1.5 hours, is a small trade-off for its exceptional value. While heavy, the treadmill's durability shines, requiring occasional assistance during setup. Visually, the T6.5C adopts a standard treadmill appearance with a touch of premium aesthetics, a black belt and console paired with brushed gray handles. The standout feature is the 22 by 55-inch Flex Select tread, seamlessly transitioning between soft and firm options. This versatility accommodates varying preferences, making it suitable for users seeking gentler impacts or a road-like running experience. The inclusion of one-touch buttons and a heart rate monitor enhances user convenience. Despite lacking the full-color touchscreen of the Si model, the 5-inch backlit screen provides essential workout metrics. Performance-wise, it caters to entry-level users with a smart response motor, 10% one-touch incline control, and 10 miles per hour speed control. The treadmill excels in functionality with an immersive 10-inch interactive HD touchscreen streaming on-demand iFit workouts, and a space-saver design for easy storage. The NordicTrack T 6.5C stands as an ideal entry-level treadmill with a perfect balance of features and affordability.